Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and I've got a roast dinner today. This one, from Lidl. Roast chicken dinner, reduced from £2.49 to £1. And if you look at the traffic light system, 3 greens and 1 red, which is salt, yes salt. And it's looking a bit sorry for itself, I have to say. Look at this, it's nearly all peas and carrots. You've got one extremely squidgy Yorkshire, which of course it's squidgy, it's soft, it's been in the microwave, a stuffing ball, 2 potatoes, and it was a whole chicken breast, but I've cut it up just so it makes it easier for me to eat it in front of the camera without me keep putting the plate down, which I sometimes do, don't I? Extremely watery gravy. Smells okay, but I haven't got high hopes for this one. I really haven't. Yeah, as I said, reduced from £2.49 to £1. This has been in my freezer for quite a while. Defrosted it last night. Right, I'm not going to go through all the ingredients because there's loads of them. There's percentages and there's percentages of percentages. I'll just read you the product description. It says cooked chicken breast fillet, served with chicken and onion gravy, roast potatoes, carrots, peas, a Yorkshire pudding, and a pork stuffing ball. And this took 5 minutes in the microwave. You can cook it in the oven, of course, as well, if you want to, if you really want to. Probably, well, the Yorkshire would have turned out better. I did consider air frying the Yorkshire pudding. And I thought, would that make it a fair review? What do you think? I might do that in a future one. Right, I've got to try this gravy first. It is just so thin. Although having said that, it's thickened up a little while it's been sitting there, but not a lot. Look at that. Oh, it really doesn't look very nice. Okay. Salty water with a bit of chicken flavour. Not very nice. Okay, peas and carrots. Not bad. But not great. They're very sweet. I wonder if that's the carrots. Let's just try a carrot. Oh, try and get I should have my fork really. Let's get your fork's only just here, Steve. Just pick it up. It's just, you can't be bothered, isn't it? And they've got a bit of a strange taste. So have the peas. Oh dear. Okay. Let's try one of the 2 potatoes you get with it. Very anemic looking potato. It doesn't look like a roast potato at all, does it? It's totally devoid of any seasoning whatsoever. That is just a potato. Not a roast potato, not even a pretend roast potato. It's just 2 bits of boiled potato. Okay, stuffing ball. I'll just have a bite of it. Bready. Oh, this is appalling. This is terrible. Okay, what's the chicken like? A little dry, but actually that's probably the best part of the meal. I'm not even going to try and cut this Yorkshire. I'm just going to pick it up and have a bite. Soft, squidgy, virtually tasteless. Don't recommend this at all. Not in the slightest. Really hasn't got much going for it. So, if you see this in the shops, reduced or not, don't be tempted by it. It's horrible. Well, no, the chicken's not horrible. Let's try another bit of that. That chicken is actually quite nice. That's, it's a little dry, but nothing much. Yeah, got a good chicken taste. But the rest of it, no, just no. Am I going to eat it? This is the question. I could make up some gravy, I suppose, some chicken gravy and pour it all over it. Is it worth the effort? I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll put an update in the comments down below whether I finished it and what I thought of it after I'd finished it. But no, just no. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.